again, runs a treat. Tick over is slightly too high. The mirror has kind of dropped off, so I tried to adjust it, but and it's too convex. It's you can't get enough field of view for my taste anyway, and it also isn't the type that sort of collapses in, which would be really handy. These are a pain because it's constantly getting knocked all the time. Turn the fuel off, but apart from that, yeah, fantastic. Well, the other minor thing I suppose is that the forks are leaking. Previous owner told me that he'd filled up the forks recently, and sure enough it's leaking out, so obviously there's a seal gone somewhere, so I'll have to fix that, but otherwise it's really good, very pleased.